Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to quickly put your Nintendo Switch 2 into sleep mode in 3 different ways. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Nintendo Switch 2. How do you actually go ahead and put it into sleep mode? Now, the first way is to actually go ahead and find the power button. And this is probably the quickest way, where you simply just press the power button, and that is going to turn it instantly into sleep mode. So with that, it's readily available to turn on, but it's actually saving battery. Now, the second way to actually go ahead and put your Nintendo Switch 2 into sleep mode is a bit more kind of longer, but not really. All you've got to do is that instead of pressing the power button quickly, you could actually go ahead and hold it for 3 seconds and then wait until this menu pops up and then click on sleep mode. So that's the second way in order to quickly turn your Nintendo Switch into sleep mode. Now, the third way is that if you're playing a video game and your screen is just on, if you're not playing the video game anymore and you leave this screen on, your Nintendo Switch 2 is automatically going to enter sleep mode after 1, 5, or 10 minutes. And in order to adjust that time, all you've got to do is go into settings, and then we're going to navigate to where it says sleep mode here. And notice how it says auto sleep playing on system screen is 10 minutes, or it's going to auto sleep while you're connected to your TV after 1 hour. So you could actually adjust these times to 1, 3, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or never. And there you go. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and quickly turn your Nintendo Switch 2 into sleep mode with 3 different ways. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.